welcome back to Saxcasts. This classic solo had to be done at some point. Yeah, I mean, who doesn't love a bit of Careless whisper? So, this particular sax solo, obviously on the famous George Michael song, but the saxophonist, just for a little bit of info, is called Steve Gregory, and he also does solos for the Rolling Stones on Honky Tonk Woman, and yeah, I mean, everybody knows this riff. We can't not do it. So let's jump straight in. So the music that I've got for you, we're in B minor, which is related to D major. So we're in two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So it's worth you practicing your B minor scale. So we're just going up with a C sharp and with an F sharp. Sort of keeping it in the descending melodic minor. And then we'll break it down into little chunks. So the first little bit is the da 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 da, and essentially it's the same thing played twice. So you're going to go high C sharp, B, F sharp, D, which is sort of a bit of an arpeggio type sound. So all of that with your thumb. We're not going over the break at any point. And then we need to sort of change the rhythm so it's kind of like long, quick, long, long. Let's have a go at playing that little bit twice. We'll get on to the sort of sexy beginning bit, don't worry, but we're just kind of stripping it back to basics for now. Okay, the second bar, we're going to go A, G sharp, F sharp, A, G, D, B. B with no thumb. So in the lower register. So that's the four notes, and again long, quick, long, long. And then we do it again, but on the second time we don't go down to the B, we just hold the D. So that's like section 1, section 2, so if we join those together. Then we've got another figure with exactly the same rhythm, and this is G with your thumb, F sharp, D, and then no thumb, B, G. So this is all going down. Okay, so that's kind of part 3. So again, all of that. And then we do an ascending movement, no jumps, all even rhythm. So we start on the F sharp, going through our D major scale, finishing on the F sharp with your thumb on the back. So all even quavers. Okay, and essentially all we're doing is playing that whole thing twice. Okay, as in the whole 4 bars. Okay, so the last kind of like finishing touches or the trick sort of thing is this glissando at the beginning. And a good way to do that really for kind of more basic is the note that we've just finished on that F sharp is going to take us back to the C sharp that we play to do the riff a second time. So a glissando is essentially a crushed group of notes. So you're going to go F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp. So the fingers peel off really nicely for that. So it's worth practicing going. And what I tend to do is kind of hold the note and then accelerate through it. Which means if you want to, you can start on that the first time. So I'll just put that in for the effect. for me, it doesn't feel quite finished if we finished on the F sharp. It kind of goes back to B, which is the tonic of the B minor. So kind of holding that note at the end. So what you can do is do like a slide down from the F sharp, or if you feel that that's a little bit easier. So in some ways it sounds more showy than it is. Obviously having a little bit of dexterity with your thumb is really going to help this pull together. So it's worth maybe practicing the notes that are around the break. So like the D to the B, D to B, D to B. And I do this with quite a few of my students. We end up sort of sounding like a fire engine. But that synchronicity of your fingers is really key to having more of a pro sound. So give it a go. Hope you enjoyed that. As ever, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell, drop us a comment if there's another request that you want us to do. And in the meantime, happy saxing. Bye.